Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. How's it going? I've got a great video. I'm going to be showing you real live products that sold over 6 figures in the animal lovers niche. I'm going to show you cats, dogs, all different types of animal lover products sold over 6 figures worth, and I'm going to show you exactly how you could do the same thing with your Shopify store. And I teach people how to build 6 and 7 figure Shopify stores leveraging no inventory business models. That basically means you're never going to have to touch the product. You're never going to pay for it up front. You're never even going to have to deal with shipping or fulfillment or even tracking numbers. All that gets fully automated for you. And it's really simple to do this. You see here, this is a Shopify store, really easy to build. I have a full step-by-step. Just take a look at my YouTube. You could follow along on that video. But this is a nice niche store here for the animal lovers niche. And what I want to do first is show you some of the most successful products in this niche ever. This print-on-demand hoodie sold over 4,000 copies at $44.95. By the way, I get all of my stats from this really cool site called tspy.com. You see the link in the video over here, tspy.justinsenior.com. And it tells you 4,700 total hoodies have been sold, and they've actually updated now to a new link. They're at $45 a piece. And if we're to do 45 times $4,700, $211,000. So this is a 6-figure campaign, $200,000 plus in sales just off of this one print-on-demand product, something that you could have in your Shopify store very easily without ever having to touch it. And you'd think, well, who would want to buy this product? Well, very easy. Anyone that loves animals. Right? We have an animal lover store. We're going to get people who love animals into our store. Of course, they're going to want to buy these products. And by the way, you could definitely easily change this design to be for cats as well. I'm sure it will do very well. Just replace the graphics here. But, never touching this product, never shipping this product, $211,000. You don't even need to deal with the tracking information. All of that is automated for you, automatically, I should say, inside of your Shopify store. So again, 4,700 copies of this shirt. Got this one over here, a nice little zombie cat design. All right, this is a long sleeve shirt sold at $25.99. So let's come back in here, $25.99 times, sold 3,600 copies. Just this shirt alone. Right, just this shirt for cat lovers, right? And this is a very basic kind of design here, obviously made for cat lovers, animal lovers, people that are going to be in our store, in this case for our store example being animal lovers, right? A perfect product. And on top of that, you could sell $100,000 worth of this product or $93,564 worth and never touch the product once, never pay for it up front. Never deal with putting it in a box or a bubble mailer or taping it up or any of that stuff. You don't even need to deal with the tracking numbers. Like I said, that's the power of print on demand. And this is a 6-figure product. This exact product right here, 6 figures in sales. Right, here's another cool example. Another dog related shirt over here. Very powerful, right? How many did these sell? 2,800. They have different styles available. Right now they're focused on the t-shirt over here, but also we have the hoodie, the long sleeve, the women's cut, right? Different prices for each. $38.50 average sale over here. Let's take out the calculator again. $38.50 times 2,800. So $107,000 in sales. So again, 6 figures. Never touch this product. 6 figures in sales. Never touch the product. Never shipped the product. Never paid for it up front. That's why print on demand is so incredibly powerful. Here's another example. We got a $40 hoodie, sold 2,000 copies. I believe that's what, 80,000? $80,000 in sales. One color, simple design. Dogs make me happy, you not so much. It doesn't matter what the product is. With print on demand, you're never touching it. So you sell 2,000 of these, each and every one of them, each individual piece gets shipped out to your customer. You don't deal with any of that. And here's another cool one. Again, very simple design here. Sold 1,700 copies at 20 bucks, $34,000 for this t-shirt. Right, again, this is another dog one. You see a lot of cats and dog stuff, but really the whole idea is for animal lovers, you build designs and you make them resonate with people in your niche. and that's what opens up their credit card. The main thing that you need to do is get great designs for your products. We're going to be leveraging Shopify Print on Demand, just like the products that you saw there. So you need to get good designs. How are you going to get designs? A lot of different places. You could take a look at ecomlibrary.com. You see it on the screen right now. There's also Upwork. There's 99 Designs, basically any place where freelance graphic designs kind of go. You can go and get them to create your designs, or you could use something like Ecom Library, buy those pre-made design packs. Either way, once you have your design, all you need to do is go into your Shopify store. In this case, I'm using Printful, and we're going to step-by-step add these products into your store. We're going to come right over here, click on Add Product, and I already have my designs. I got these. Here's a couple of examples of designs that I got from ecomlibrary.com. So here's a cat one, here's a dog one, and we'll come over here and we'll go to men's clothing, all shirts. This will just be the unisex shirt that will work for both men and women. Coming down over here, it's $8.95, and this is what the designer is based out of. We have our little area to upload our file. So we're going to take our design file and we are going to go ahead and upload it right into, let's do the cat one, right into our store. So we're uploading our design right now. It's going to upload this into our design library. Once it uploads, just take a second, we'll be able to then select this file and add it into our design. You see it's going to get placed on top of this product. This is what's called a mock-up or a visual representation of the product. And this could actually get purchased, right? This will be a real product in our store. We'll go through this. We'll select our media and we'll pick a model mock-up over here and we can give it a title. We'll call this Cat Lover Yin Yang Shirt. And you can give it a description over here, give the size guide as well. Come over here. You could add tags if you want. You could choose collections. Otherwise, we're going to go right into pricing. You're going to see our cost is $8.95 for the most part. Some of the bigger sizes are a little bit more expensive. We're going to change it all to $24.99, and we're going to submit our product into the store. It's as simple as that. If you have multiple designs, you'll be able to have multiple products, especially if you get that design pack from ecomlibrary.com. And just like that, it's published. We can actually view it inside of our Shopify store and literally able to be purchased right this second. So you could choose the different sizes, and this is that exact product. Here's the title, here's the price. Everything that we set up inside of our Print on Demand app now shows as a real life product, even though we'll never ever need to touch this. And just like that, we have fully purchasable products, an entire storefront right here for animal lovers, and we'll never touch any of these products. This is fully all hands off. This is no inventory. This is Shopify Print on Demand. If you want to jump into Print on Demand, there's no easier way than ecomlibrary.com. You see the link directly below this video. Ecom Library has pre-made print on demand designs, upload ready. All you need to do is choose from one of over 80 different niches and simply download your design files and then upload them into your store just like you saw in this video. You get to choose your niche and you get 50 niche specific designs ready to go with any print on demand app or company. All you need to do, again, just download and then upload them right into your store, adding that product like you saw in this video. 50 designs for $47. That's less than $1 a design, really high quality designs in any niche that you choose. Of course, they have animal lovers, dogs, cats, fitness, sports, hobbies, jobs, really anything that you could imagine you'll find on Ecom Library. It also includes a step-by-step Shopify store setup training, so you'll be able to get up and running just like you saw in this video. You'll have your own Shopify print-on-demand store. There's no easier way to do it than Ecom Library. Make sure you check it out. Again, less than $1 per design. ecomlibrary.com. I highly recommend it.